My name is Jason Tharp and I love my job. One of the coolest things I get to do is I get to talk to kids about all the things that I wish somebody would have told me when I was in 4th and 5th grade, when I was struggling because I felt different than everybody else. I wish somebody would have just told me that it's okay to be different than everybody else. That's my biggest joy of getting to speak with the kids. This is when it gets really cool. Having the kids yell out, "I am super fantastic," is like this magic moment that I wish I had a light bulb for. Because literally you can feel the energy raise in the room. It may be the first time that this kid has acknowledged to themselves out loud how they really feel about themselves.
You guys ever done something nice for somebody else? Does it make you feel like you never want to do it again? Or does it make you feel like you want to keep doing it? Right?
Talking with the kids about the unicorn effect is super awesome. What's cool about it is that they can do it right now. By taking a second to say hi to somebody and sprinkling their magic on somebody else's day, it really helps the kid understand one small act of kindness can not only change their lives, but all the lives of others around them. Everybody wants more kindness in their life. Getting the kids to draw the unicorn might be the most magical part of the presentation, because you're getting them to try something that they don't think they can do and they excel at it. I love also asking the kids if it looks like somebody else's or if it looks like mine, and of course it doesn't. And that's what's really cool about this, is we all have a way of seeing the world through different lenses. I'm so grateful for all the kids I've gotten to speak with, all the schools and organizations that have invited me in, and all the future kids that I'll get to speak with. If you're looking for a message for your kids about embracing your uniqueness, understanding your words matter, that you have magic in your story, and that your weirdness is actually pretty cool, then this message is for you. Because remember, the key to happiness is embracing your unicorniness.